Hello, ma'am. My name is Uma Mahajan, and my today's topic name is uh, the Lion Mouse story. So, once upon a time, in a forest, there was a lion, often referred to as the king of the jungles. One day, after a satisfying hunt, the lion was resting under the shade of a tree. So, while he was as asleep, a little mouse ran over his body by accident. The sudden touch wake the lion, uh, and he was furious. He caught the mouse in this her paw, ready to eat for disturbing his nap. Uh, the terrified mouse begged for mercy and pleaded with the lion, saying, "Please let me go. Someday I might to able to help you." The lion was laugh and thought of such tiny creatures helping him, but decided to let the mouse go. More amongst them moved by its play. So later encounter. Days later, the lion found himself in a trouble. So hunters had set a trap in the jungle, and the lion was caught in a strong net. He roared in anger and frustrations, unable to free himself for the traggled ropes. But uh, but the but the little mouse, hearing the lion's roars, recognized his voice and such as a rush to help. Remembering the lion kindness, the mouse began to gnaw and ropes with its sharp teeth. So slowly but steadily, the mouse chose through the ropes, and eventually, so the lion was freed, and then later, lesson of the story is lesson of the story is the lion was astonished that such a teeny creature had saved his life, and was humbled by the mouse's bravery and then loyalty. Uh, the mouse and the mouse reminded the lion that small creatures can also have great strength, and that kindness is always worth than uh, always worth showing to others, no matter their size or power. But the moral of the story is, no act of kindness is ever wasted. So it also highlight that even the smallest creatures the mightiest, and that everyone's has a value regardless of their size or status. So thank you, ma'am.